The year was 1976, when economic handicaps were pushing the Turkish industry through a new and difficult survival test. 4 young Ortadoğu Technical University graduates, where engineering is considered to be a tradition, decided to unite their energy and enthusiasm. Malik Aviral, Hasan Akduman, Güngör Özgün and Hüseyin Kurban, 3 electronic and 1 mechanical engineer, founded Elimko, a local company which has deserved to be the pride of Turkey for over almost half a century. This young and dynamic team quickly started to produce automatic control systems, instruments, sensors and spare parts locally, and established the name of Elimko as the name of trust in the automatic control field. Since the date of its establishment, Elimko has served the world industry locally and internationally in a meticulous and consistent way in the field of electronic measurement, control, and recording devices and other items used in conjunction with these, such as thermocouples, resistance thermometers and sensors, as well as being a contractor for the supply of turnkey automatic control systems contracts. In the beginning years, Elimko started giving informative education and presentations to its clients about the scope of supply of its products, and then started with mass production in 1978. Elimko, creating and implementing their own technology without the purchase of any know-how or license agreements, and using the technologies it has created in the best possible way, still enjoys the pursuit of its half-a-century-old goal of achieving desired productivity as required by globalization. The first products of Elimko were control equipment with analog indicators. During the same period, Elimko made designing and prototyping studies on digital indicators and started with the production of various panel indicators in DIN and IEC standards. Elimko has started with the production of digital indicators simultaneously with many other companies in the world. With its production quality based on world standards, Elimko has achieved the desired technology and experience on an international scale. Always aiming to see the future requirements for technology, Elimko used the most recent innovations and produced the most modern and secure panel recording devices of their kind in 1982. These devices carried the burden of the industry for many years to come. During the starting years of its establishment in 1983, Elimko began producing devices with microprocessors and started to install complete automatic control systems containing this equipment. By using microprocessor technology to make PLC-based production, Elimko produced industrial computers such as programmable control devices, data loggers, textile computers, batch computers, alarm computers, asphalt plant computers, concrete plant computers, autoclave computers, belt weighers, and big bag weighers. Such special function computers filled a big gap with their Elimko quality for a period when their scarcity was deeply felt in our country. Elimko PLC-based equipment of today has become the name of trust with the backing of customer complete satisfaction. Fast-growing Elimko's field of service has not been limited to only the production of electronic devices. As one of the most prominent companies in the country producing thermocouples and resistance thermometers in Turkey, Elimko also produces special thermocouples, resistance thermometers, flanges, wells, and compensation cables to meet the needs of users. Further to this, relative humidity, measurement sensors, positioning transmitters, capacitive and inductive and motorized level detectors are also in the production program. Solid flow meter measurement and dosing equipment is now calibrated and tested in the first and unique Elimko's Flow Rate Measurement and Dosage Equipment Calibration Center. This is locally made in Turkey with the support of the Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey and also the Technology Development Foundation of Turkey. Within the product range of Elimko, the belt weighers, weigh feeders, dosing belts, big bag weighers, Coriolis type weighers and other scales with its mechanical and electronic parts equipped with the most recent innovations of technology has been presented during the last 15 years to the international market under the guarantee of Elimko. Thus, Elimko has taken its well-deserved place as a serious competitor in international markets. This is the success of the Turkish engineers, Turkish technicians, and the Turkish companies who supported this synergy. Elimko, carrying leadership in automatic control systems to different fields, also became a prominent company in its field, especially with success achieved in raw material preparation, blending, dosage, autoclave systems, asphalt plants, cement plants, petrochemical refineries, and data logging systems. Elimko, taking on board the representation of the world-recognized ABB Kent Taylor Group starting from 1985, has now become the representative of the instrumentation group ABB Turkey, providing technical support and after-sales service for ABB instrumentation products. Representing the production portfolio of ABB instrumentation with its after-sale technical support service, Elimko has been a successful solution provider for Siemens for many years. Thus, Elimko established many important systems with Siemens PLC5, PLC7 and PCS7 products and the related software. Elimko represents Bemex, Berthold, Michel, Jemps, Penny & Giles, Revere, Celtron, the Vishay Group and SOR, each of which are worldwide leaders in their fields. In the beginning of 1996, Elimko was the first and the only company in its field to be granted the ISO 9001 quality certificate in Turkey. Elimko also got the CE brand and GOST certificate for its exports. Elimko established a temperature calibration center working under TSEN ISO ISC 17025 standards, approved by the Turkish Accreditation Institute, a member of the Turkish Cooperation for Accreditation. With this center, Elimko upgraded the quality of its products, especially thermocouples resistance thermometers, both inside and outside Turkey. Successfully carrying the responsibility of being the leader company for more than half a century, Elimko is aware of the important role of research and development in the age of information. To give support to the fast and long series production lines as required by technology, the SMD machines, drying ovens, cutting machines, screen printers, computer-aided printed circuit preparation units, and latest model of CNC lathes are used. Since 1980, Elimko has organized seminars on automatic control systems to the engineers and technicians working in the industrial establishments, enabling them to correctly select the systems, devices and sensors that they will be using. 5,500 technical experts have participated in these seminars until now and shared their experience and the know-how of Elimko. Elimko has won degrees in competitions organized by the Turkish Industrialists and Businessmen's Association, the Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey, Quality Association of Turkey, the Technology Development Foundation of Turkey, and Turkish Association of Electronics and Information Industries to support research and development projects. Elimko, with its experience and know-how, carries the pride of having realized turnkey project contracts as well as the mechanical and automatic control for an industrial complex, and having numerous references both in Turkey and abroad. The motto of Elimko in the beginning years, reliable name in automatic control systems, was later changed to reliable name in automatic control systems and turnkey contracts. Elimko has held the title of milestone of the sector for over 3 decades. With a production facility covering 8,500 square meters, Elimko serves almost 50 countries with its 150 staff members and 25 experienced engineers and more than 40 distributors. The name Elimko has always referred to reliable, trustworthy experience in Russia, Bulgaria, Romania, Iran, Iraq, Syria, Qatar, Yemen, Kuwait, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, Japan, Germany, Spain, Portugal, France, Egypt, Nigeria and Algeria. The most recent turnkey systems set up by Elimko in Qatar, Yemen, Kuwait, Azerbaijan and Algeria are the pride of the contractor sector in Turkey. Since the date of its establishment, Elimko has always acted with the principle of never leave a dissatisfied customer. With its good relationship between the sales and marketing group and customers, engineering experience is used to select the most economic and correct solutions and to receive appreciations from the local and international customers. Elimko, with full appreciation of its responsibility for the progress and the future of Turkey, carries on to achieve its dreams of half a century. Steadily growing since 1976, its success, its place in the Turkish industry as an important contributor to almost every product used in everyday life, makes the co-workers of Elimko proud of themselves. These young representatives of the engineering tradition have given life to a leader in automatic control. This leader that has transformed quality to trust and technology into comfort is Elimko.